This is my take on mince and tatties, English style. Fresh onions from the garden. Let's start there. This is the garden. I know there's capsicum in there. Pepper. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Where's they gone? Oh, what's that then? Oh no! There's an airplane! Wow, Eurofighter just went above my head. How you cook? Sorry, that was it. Got me excited. Might be another one to follow in a minute. Dirty fingernails, picking onions, but it's okay. It's only Scottish food. How you slice an onion. This is going to be
Yes!
Oh, sorry, I wasn't meant to swear. I'll bleep that out. Look, what you do. Could be the afterburner. That was the afterburner. Half cut them like that, right? If you want a small onion, slightly turn it around, and then you just chop off the ends like that. You get a small onion, you just turn this piece over like this. Basically, do the same, straight through it, like that. I'm not very good on camera work. Apparently, I'm not very good on photoshopping either. So ignore me. And we got the little mini onions, which lovely little sweet onions, which we'll do as well. Don't worry about a bit of dirt. If it's only for me, I don't mind. That's why I don't need to be vaccinated. And that's a lot of onions for mince and tatties. And that's a long time for me to show you how to drop an onion. And you know what? I'm not even going to cut it this time. So you can watch me. I just dropped a piece on the floor. Do I eat it? Do I have the 3-second rule? Am I going to talk longer than 3 seconds on here? I don't know. Do I put music on? I don't mind. We've got a bit of red, we've got a bit of white. My eyes have not even watered yet. Isn't that amazing? Resilient chef I am. Resilient chef I am. With a dirty fingernail. And they can slide straight off there. Straight onto the floor, because I don't need them anymore. Because I'm decided that I'm going to have a pot noodle instead. Big up the pot noodles. Big up the Tudor noodles. Big up the Tudor noodles. Let's have them in the pan there. Close up shot.
Yeah, you got lean mince here. Is this racist? Let's 5% fat.
Let's add a bit of pimienta negra. What's that? Yeah, it's black pepper. Hello, Pepper. How are you doing, Pepper? I am fine, Pepper.
Now this is where we get going to think English, Pepper.
Oh, pepper. How you cut a pepper? Right. Look, just go round. There. Like that. Look at that. There. And you can just get your finger in there. And poke him out. There. There you go. Cut it in half. Any little seeds left. Just bang them out. Tip number 42. Always cut upside down. You won't tear it so much. Go through the flesh first. Tip number 42. Bloody gosh, it's got a bloody bit of pasta from yesterday. Bloody pasta. Can that go in? No, don't think so. Ugh. Right, that's it. Time for a clean. And here we go. Julienne, where's the English bit coming into this bloody mince and tatty Scottish dish? There you go, there's our peppers. We could serve that up as a tartare right now. Bloody time changing blood. God almighty. Oh, for a gas cooker, eh? No. No for a gas cooker. I think I need a bit of a clean. Yes, I do need a bit of a flame. These are not actually picked here. These are actually picked in Leith. Leith, Edinburgh. We're going to cook those up. Red and white. Red and white. But wait a minute. I know there's some extra. Look at this. Look at this. Oh yes. Oh, we got it. Yeah. Oh, there's some in there. Bit of a wash. We've increased it by 5. 5. Wow. Chef extraordinaire. Oops. Do I use them? Oh, they're Scottish. Yeah. That's how good I am. It's about enough. We'll have it on there for an hour. That was lucky. Here, stick them in here. Don't break down. Cheesy mash. Oh, that's looking a bit all right. Yeah. Mince Tatties. Let's make it look posh. Can't be bothered. Let's just eat it. Bye-bye, land. Bye-bye.
France, here we come.
Yeah. Do you think we'll get put up in France? Let's go that way, what?